How to fix Snapchat login problem after updating. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix login problem after updating. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you are facing a login problem on Snapchat after the recent update, now it depends first of all on what kind of issue you're facing. The first thing you can try to do is make sure it's not the issue with your internet. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you. If you're using Snapchat on Android, just long press the Snapchat app icon, then tap on this eye icon that says app info. This setting will be found on any Android device, which will ultimately take you to your app information page. And from here, you can go to storage and clear the cache files and choose to clear the data. When you've done that, check if there have been new updates as well. So due to a bug on a certain version, Snapchat will instantly roll out a new update again. So you always want to be on the lookout for the recent update and make sure to update it. And make sure that all of your credentials are correct. So it could be just that your username, email, or your password is incorrect, or your phone number was incorrect. You want to make sure that all those details are correct and tap the login button. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.